No, you have to shake it.
It's not working.
Tom. Oh!
Holy shit! The floor's on fire!
Oh no!
Oh, you suck!
Oh my god.
Oh! Shoot, sorry.
Kids, breakfast is ready. Breakfast not ready.
Ah! I didn't want.
Oh, that looks really good. Let's see it.
Hot. You got it?
I got it. That looks good.
Hot work.
You okay? Oh my gosh.
Turkey.
There goes Thanksgiving, our brand new house. First Thanksgiving.
Say yes. It's a piece of cake. Homecoming? I made a mess.
Chicken with the papas.
You want this to go? Park it! Oh, there we go.
I know what.
Come on, eat. Come on. It's on the floor. Tama. There you go.
What? Wow!
I'll put that on suggestions.
Alright? I'm lighting up the grill. Heather! Are you alright?
All right, here goes nothing, folks. Whoa. Now that's what I call some hot.
Alright, start laying on fire, bro!
Hopefully I didn't. Ow! You alright?
I said, this probably isn't going to end well. Jonathan, are you